Ever wanted to prank your friends live with a voice so wild they'd never guess it's you? Or maybe you just want to sound like a video game villain, a cartoon character, or your favorite celebrity, instantly. Well, now you can. I just found this insane tool called dubbingai, and it's on another level. You type or talk and boom, it transforms your voice in real time. From deep, scary tones to anime-style voices, even famous characters, it's got everything. Perfect for gaming, streaming, or just messing around with your friends. And yeah, it's 100% legal, safe, and seriously fun. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll probably want to try it out for yourself, and it's free. Now, if you're thinking, okay, but how do I even get started? Don't worry, it's super easy. Just click the link in the description below, and boom, you'll land on the official dubbingai site. From there, download the app, sign up in seconds, and you're all set to start transforming your voice like a pro. Once you launch the app, you'll see today's free voices at the top of the homepage, plus a countdown timer that shows when the next batch unlocks. Scroll down and you'll find voice categories loaded with characters from games, anime, and all kinds of media. Some premium voices need a subscription, but there's plenty to mess with for free. Look at the bottom center of the screen. You'll see the mic button. Tap it, record your voice, and pick the character voice you want to apply. Dubbingai will process it almost instantly, and from there, you can save it, share it with your friends, or drop it right into a meme-worthy post. It's really that simple. Now imagine using that in a game. You're on voice chat, roasting someone in a gruff villain voice. Then out of nowhere, you switch to a chipmunk and say, "You mad, bro?" People lose it. The reactions, priceless. With over 1,000 voice tones to pick from, there's something for every vibe, meme voices, celebrity impressions, dramatic narrators, even full-on characters. It's like having a voice studio right on your desktop. And the best part? It only uses 5 to 10% of your CPU. So your system stays smooth, no matter what you're running. And yeah, you can switch voices anytime, mid-convo, mid-live stream, whatever. That flexibility is unmatched. My personal favorite, the fast voice cloning. You can literally turn a quick voice sample into your own custom voice model in no time. For content creators, streamers, and even pranksters, this is gold. And if you're into music, wait till you try the singing conversation. You can take your vocals and make them sound like someone else is singing them. It's wild. They've also added the new Soundboard feature, packed with trending voices and meme sounds you can drop anytime. Think classic memes, viral clips, reaction sounds. Perfect for spicing up your streams or just annoying your friends in the best way possible. Worried about privacy? Don't be. Everything runs locally on your CPU. No uploads, no cloud processing, no weird data sharing. Your voice stays on your machine. So yeah, dubbingai isn't just a voice changer. It's a full-blown voice playground. Real-time conversion, low CPU usage, singing support, meme voices, fast cloning, and the new Soundboard, all in one slick app. It's also fully compatible with any software or platform you use. Click the link in the description to try it out completely free, and let me know in the comments which voice you're going to try first. Are you going full anime villain, a pop star, or just vibing with the memes? Hit that like button if this blew your mind. And if you want more insane AI tools that make your life way more fun, check out my other videos. Catch you in the next one.